Amazon electric board. Amazon electric board video number 378, 5,000.
This guy's probably the coolest doing backlit.
Yeah, let's backlick this tape off. The cheapest electric board, you guys had last week's board mixed up with this one. Just call this the worst reviewed if you want. Hashtag BBT, that was written by Mario. BBT means Braille bonding time. So
just look at this thing.
Wow.
It's a monster. Hey,
We should call it the world's heaviest electric skateboard. Wow. Betty, just feel that. Feel the weight on that bad boy.
holy.
Have you seen the remote control?
I mean, the remote control is sick. Use your head, wear a helmet. Stop, do not return the product to place of purchase. Warning, read owner's manual, always wear protective gear, etc., 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 etc. Made in China. Why do I feel like this skateboard may very well blow up and blow our legs off?
I agree.
Wow, we should get the Spider-Man car for Gabe.
Dude! Yes!
Wow.
Oh, no.
I just noticed
What
the
is
trucks.
this?
Look at that. Tennis ball trucks coming soon. This does look like extremely intense.
And we're not even camping.
Fetty, what do you think? You think you can kickflip this?
No.
You think you can do anything on
It could
this?
kickflip me.
Do you think it'll kickflip you? What if the board is on top of Fetty and it kickflipped him?
So the warning on this said that if it is charged for anything more than 36 hours, that it is dangerous.
What do you mean?
I don't know. It
It'll
just said
explode?
do not overcharge it.
Oh, there's a light on.
So I believe there's a switch on there.
Yeah, I turned it on.
Oh.
Read this owner's manual while I read the reviews and see what it says. If all the reviews say this thing doesn't work, I will cry. Full blown, just flat out cry. This was $136, $134.26. Oh! How did you do that?
The owner's manual.
Okay, give it a wing dinger.
So first you put the owner's manual on there, and then
I just read 6 miles per hour, ages 8 plus, max weight 145 pounds. Is it on high, fast mode?
I don't know. I don't know how to turn the gears down.
Wow.
The speed with which we are flying, it's in a whole new level. Oh, that's going a little faster. Oh, there we go. Not really taking off. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Just look at this bad thing roll. Okay, I just gotta see what people are saying about this. 40% of the reviews are 5-star, and 40% of the reviews are 1-star. So people either really love this or they really don't. My grandson initially wanted a hoverboard, but after hearing all the Bade fire incident reviews, I opted for this. He loves it. 5 stars. Item as described. They were like, this is the heaviest skateboard you've ever seen and it barely moves, but you can go a full 5 miles an hour. I guess if you had to commute a long ways to work and you just wanted a steady roll, you could roll this. Wow, these
I
are...
haven't seen one bad one.
We call this the best reviewed board on Amazon. It goes really slow, good for smaller kids. Great Santa, in all caps, gift, 4 stars. Give it a roll.
I feel like a tank. It doesn't turn very well. The weird tennis ball thing doesn't help you turn at all.
I think you could get a kickflip on this.
Yeah, maybe. Oh God.
Let's race, Betty. Mano a mano from the line. Drag race. Luckily mine has brakes because I think it's gonna go a little faster than the Surge. How about from here through the door?
Deal.
You ready?
3, 2, 1.
Where did it go? It was going the wrong way. I don't know what happened. He turned it backwards on purpose. He's trying to play it off like it was on purpose. Okay, I finally got down far enough to get to some of the bad reviews. My 12-year-old saved his money and bought this, stopped working after 5 days, buyer beware. I Havery had nothing but problems. I replaced controller and receiver. That person's a genius, they knew how to do that. The unit still doesn't work. I am a lost with this thing. Bought for my son for Christmas, and he hasn't rode it once. Sad day. You ready for the drag race?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yep.
This one goes like clearly 45 miles an hour like that, and this one goes 6 miles an hour. Should we do some tricks on this? What? Actually mind-blowingly incredible. Okay, check this out. 1 star, worked twice. My son was thrilled, used it twice, then it broke. Although the battery was fully charged and the controller had a new battery, the skateboard motor would not turn on. Betty figured it out.
Oh yes, that is happening.
If you kickflip that, I will be so impressed. The motor died within a month. Such a waste of money. 3 people found this helpful.
I don't know. It's really heavy.
You can do it.
I'm like loudly scared it's gonna explode. Luckily it doesn't go very fast because he like slammed on the accelerator and just started going. $20 right here, kickflip.
We're good.
Please tell me the remote's not broken. 2 stars, think twice before you buy. Maybe that's why they gave it 2 stars. Do not buy, in all caps. First off, the ship date kept changing and I did not receive it when expected. It worked great and my son loved it. But after a week, it no longer works. Nothing happened to it, nothing was broken, just completely stopped working. Kids rode it once and the battery would not recharge. No easy way to replace the battery without replacing the whole skateboard. No, Fetty, oh no. I would never in a million years do that. It's like a landmine waiting to explode, catch your whole entire legs on fire with blue flame lightning bolts. I'm just waiting for it to blow up. Are you waiting for it to blow up too?
Yeah.
Like, how would you land like that right there? Fetty, you gonna do the 5? Wait, check this review. This is the best one I found so far. 1 star. This sucks. Doesn't go uphill nor downhill. Can't turn at all and only goes on flat surfaces. It doesn't go downhill? How does any skateboard not go downhill? I think Fetty just proved all of that wrong. He's like defying the laws of the Amazon reviews. No! Next time you do that, Fetty, allow me to step into the other room.
It's so heavy.
Okay, I found the best review. 5 stars. This, the bomb. It the bomb. Do we just let him go through with that? And just, yeah, Fetty, you really got this, Fetty. It's a great idea. 1 star. Stopped working after 10 minutes, period. Crap. Very disappointed child.
I forgot I had to keep this down.
You forgot that.
Yeah.
Fetty, I like you. In fact, I love you like a brother. Please don't go to the hospital today. Please. What? Fetty, how does that work? There's no way that's gonna work. If I stand corrected on this, I will eat my phone. I don't know if that's good or bad. Like, it's an electric board. It's supposed to go in one direction only. So if you do a 180, the board should have shot back into the stairs. We're on another level.
I let go of the trigger.
It stopped working after 1 week of using. 1 star, piece of trash, does not work. What do you think? What is your review? What would you review it?
How many stars would you give it on Amazon?
3.
But what would you say?
Like 50-50. I don't know. It's not good for traveling. Good for...
Not good for traveling?
No, it's good for like garage skating.
It's good for going long distances and not doing tricks and just being like this.
This will highly judge my review. It can't be nose sliding. 1 star.
Tell me if this makes sense to you. 6 miles per hour, lame. Top speed is 6 miles per hour, and my old longboard goes faster than that of my new one goes 12, which is built 7 to 9, and my newest one goes 20, which are all faster. I wouldn't buy this for anyone. What?
You gotta get it like right there.
Do you guys hear this sort of like low hum that's occurring all the time? It's like a Star Wars like slow moving troop thing. There it is.
I moved the whole box.
Boom! His head almost went over the box into the stairs.
Everything's in the way.
Oh
Yeah.
no, what are you doing? That's the graphic. You're gonna put that on there, really?
Yeah, that's the
That's
graphic.
what you're gonna do. I love that Fetty waxed his wheels. Did you see that?
He did.
It's like things not to do at the skate park video all over again.
Stop working. I broke the controller.
Fetty's having a really hard time. Apparently the controller stopped working. I wouldn't be surprised though, because he's like a 245 pound man and the board is made for 145 pounds and 8 years old.
Oh my gosh.
Boom shakalaka.
Next try.
You got this?
Yeah.
This is the ender? Wow. Never seen such athleticism as this. Wish the live studio audience out there, which is not live at all on the other side of that YouTube computer screen, knew how much this board weighed and how actually difficult that is. This is like on another level.
Wasn't lined up.
I think you just rolled through a spider.
Wow!
He almost broke through the metal.
5 stars. Oh! First try! Well played. Crushed it.
Board slide?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't work. Well, that's all. Yeah, you need that with the mask.
Well, seriously, what's your like honest review?
It's terrible.
It was not that bad.
Don't buy it.
Let's face it, you did an ollie down 5 stair, frontside 180 down a 5 stair. You nose slid the hubba. It could not be that bad.
I mean, it didn't stop working like some people said.
Yeah, it didn't stop working. Although they were saying it stopped working after like a week. So maybe we let it sit for a week. Or maybe it's the recharging.
The controller is hard to operate.
So you would say like, probably one of the best boards I've ever ridden, but the controller is a little hard to operate.
No. I think I would honestly give it like a 2-star and just say there's better boards out there.
Well, there you have it, people. Straight from the mouth of Fetty Potter. He would give it a 2-star, and, you know, there's better boards out there. All right, well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video of Cheap the Skates. If you guys know of something interesting that is on Amazon that we can make a video out of, go ahead and leave it in the description below. Actually, they can't leave it in the description, they have to leave it in the comment. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, watch all the videos in this series playlist, and I'll see you next time. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.